This super cool helicopter has the same flight characteristics of your high-end drones. Comes completely ready to fly. You're going to see a cool video in a second of this thing flying. And close up. Tell me when.
I'm still recording, so go.
Oh. So to get started, we're going to switch the radio on. We're going to make sure all the switches are up. Okay, and a video of this. And we're going to wait for the red light to go green. Next, we're going to plug in the flight battery. And we're going to wait for the flashing light to go solid green. Huh? No, it's fine. You can... Now we wait for the amber light to go solid green. Now that the flight controller has GPS signal, we're ready to take off. So to get started, we're going to put the sticks in the corners for 5 seconds. We're going to hit the run switch and the helicopter will spool up. Then we're going to hit up on the left stick. So to go forward, let me redo it. So to go forward, we're going to push forward on the stick. To go backwards, we're going to push backwards. To go up and to go down. And that's the Flywing BO-105, available from ScaleRC.co.za.